Hey, welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Real Nice Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. So, we have some baigan there, we have some flour. So, we're going to be making some baigan choka and oil roti. So, also, of course, we have our tomato and scallions and so on. So, that's what we're going to be making today, guys. We feel like some baigan choka and oil roti. So that's exactly what we're going to be making. So here's our two baigan. So we're going to prepare the baigan first, put it to roast. And then we're going to start working on the roti. Oil roti. So when last I had some of this, guys. Baigan choka and oil roti. Staple Guyanese dish for breakfast in the morning with a hot cup of tea, right? So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna make some slits in our baigan and poke the garlic in there. This is how it's usually done. Flavor up the baigan there with the garlic. So we are wrapping the baigan in foil now. Done. So we are doing this on our stove, guys, and we just placed a rack over there. So we let that roast and we'll go and work on the roti. Okay, here our baigan crackling already. Roasting starting there, see? So we just adding one tiny wee pepper. You're free to add how much you like. Alright, so we got our onion, scallion and pepper ready. So now time for the tomato. So I know some people when they're making baigan choka, they like to roast their tomato as well. So if that's something you like, you can do that as well, right? But we're not going to roast ours today, we're just going to add it like that. So we are only using half of the tomato here, guys. So there, that's everything for the baigan choka already done, and we'll put this aside. So we're gonna give this baigan a turn here now. So time to work on the oil roti now while the baigan is still roasting. And that's our flour. We're gonna add our baking powder. So as usual, you're gonna add your water gradually. So as usual, guys, I'll be linking the recipes to this below the video in the description box. So that's it, our dough is ready. So we'll give our belanger another turn. So after we have given the baigan the last turn we did, we're gonna start making the roti. So as you know, once you broken off your pieces, you want to give it a rough roll and then apply your oil and make your loaves So that's what we're doing now. So someone was asking me why the flour when you add the oil. So the flour helps to keep the layers separate once your roti is cooked. So it makes your roti more soft and layered. So we have finished making the loaves out for the roti. And we're going to leave this about 10-15 minutes before we cook them. In the meanwhile, the baigan is still being roasted. We'll check on this shortly. Alright, so our baigan should be finished roasting now. We're going to open these. The balancha got swingy. You see that? Fully roasted. See our garlic is there? So once your baigan is roasted good, it's gonna be easy to come out. That. So time to put our choka together, guys. Our baigan choka. So you want to mash this. So we're gonna add some salt first. Salt to taste. And then our seasonings. And we're also gonna add a little butter. So there's one last touch to our baigan choka, which we're gonna do right now. We're heating up some oil, some vegetable oil. So the oil is hot. There you go. So you're gonna give that a mix now. And that's it. Our baigan choka is ready. We're gonna put this aside now. We're gonna go work on our roti. So we're gonna turn this now in a little bit. So now we're gonna apply the oil to this side that's cooked a little bit already. Turn it back over. And turn it back again. This side of the top was the first side. So we put the other one here now. Getting the other one ready for the tower. And now it's time to clap the first one. There you go. Look at all the layers. See that? And that's how you make a stuffed or roti. The second one. There you go. So you just fold this one now back. There you go, 2 down, 3 more to go. And that's it. Cooking is done. Clapping is done. So that's it for this recipe, guys. And here's our finished product, our oil roti and our Baigan Choka. And I have a cup of tea. We're gonna have some of this right now. Yummy Baigan Choka and roti. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Our delicious Baigan Choka with oil roti. And I have a cup of tea there. I'm gonna go have some of this right now. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Click on the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.